introduce yourself.
My name is Nidhi, and I have just done my 12th, and I have a good family. I have number of habits, number of desires to complete in my future, and I am really very passionate about myself. Uh, uh, I am really very passionate to show myself unique among the people, because whenever we go somewhere, like, I don't want to be the part of the crowd. I just want to be look very different among the people. That's why. Thank you.
Have you ever thought about stand-up comedy?
No, I do not thought about stand-up comedy. But whenever I talk to my friends, they always suggest me to choose this path to be a comedian.
In what way do you want to be famous?
I just want to be famous as a nursing officer, in which stream I'm going to choose in my future.
Do you really think that is there any celebrity who is a nursing officer that we know anybody's name?
But number of doctors here, those are famous among the people. Number of people know the doctor, but I don't know.
People know the doctors, not the nurses.
But if even after be a nurse, I will open number of hospitals by the help of any uh, investor or some of by checks. Then I will definitely become a famous person. It does not matter I am nurse or doctor.
Good. If you were asked to write a book, what would it be about? If you were asked to write a book, what would it be about? Would you like to write a book?
Uh, I don't know. I don't have proper answer for this
Okay,
question.
there is no problem. It is really a very mature question. If you had 3 wishes, what would they be?
If I will have 3 wishes, then I will become invisible person, and I want to take revenge with some few people in my life. And second, I want to become a successful person, and I can that by the help of my success, I can give happiness to everyone in my life. And the
Final.
third one is the final wish. I just want to be a favorite girl of everybody's life. Either they are my friends, either they are my teachers, either they are my colleagues, neighbors, and my parents. I just want to be the most special person in everybody's life.
Okay, so as you have said that you want to stand unique among the people, what kind of uniqueness you are talking about here?
Uh, we can talk anything, and I can give you example too.
Yeah, please do.
Decent example, you can see nobody is there in this auditorium who had wear traditional dress, but I have wear this, and this is some different from everybody. You can't find this kind of outfit here.
Don't you find that those people who want to be unique, they are all rebel today? It means they do not like to go with the stream of the society. They think different, so they are treated as rebels. They are not respected. They are alienated by the people. Because you are after special, unique, different. So don't you find that you will be rebel?
It is really a difficult part to choose to be as a unique person, and I face this difficulty every day, even in my home, even in my classroom, everywhere I face this difficulty. But I just want to face this difficulty, because I am unique. Then I can face difficulty at every step. I have that ability to face difficulties. Those are working according to the society. I don't think that they can fight against the society. They can do something unique for the society. That's why they are making their self according to them. But
Okay, as you mentioned, like you want to make everyone happy in this world. Have you ever heard that quote? If you want to make everyone happy, sell ice cream.
shall I? No, I don't.
What do you want to say? Do you really think that you can make everyone happy in this world? Is it possible?
It's just my wish, but the reality is we can't make happy everybody at the same time. But for this example, I just want to give one more example to you. Like, choose only few peoples for your life. Those really loves to you, because those loves to you, they will be happy with yourself. Either you are successful or not. It does not matters for you. Your happiness only matters for them. So that's it.
So as you said that you have a good family.
Yeah.
Okay. So does it ever happens to you, your parents track your phone, check your phone? Or do you think that this is a good habit of the parents checking the phone?
First of all, I don't have my personal phone. I use my parents' mobile phone, and if they check anything my personally, so I don't have any problem. Even my mom used to give me bath. Sometimes she beats me in at the time of taking bath, because she says that you are not bathing properly.
Okay, so do you agree that parents should not check the phone of teenagers or a growing children?
I don't think that it is wrong to check any teenager's phone,
Why?
because I know that everybody wants privacy in their life, but the phone is the medium to communicate with everyone, and we don't know that how our children is communicated with other ones. She or he is communicating with other, like on the another bad worst platform, in a worst way. So we should check time to time our children's phone, because it is very important what in which manner he is using that digital gadget in his life. Is he using for his success, for his work only, or he is using just for his enjoyment and to spoil his or herself?
There is many kind of cyber crime is also happening.
Yeah.
So do you think that if this will be, when the parents will be checking these all things, so it will be prevented? Prevented means stopped.
Yeah, because parents have much knowledge about this. My parents, I'm talking about my parents, because parents have much knowledge about this AI intelligence and number of scams, but those are going on the AI platform. So it is not bad to check mobile phone, because sometimes what happen in childhood manner, we just click the link and we just make everybody aware what we have in our bank.
Okay. Thank you very much for your answer.
Job person will come first. Those are doing job come fast. Beta, those are doing job come fast. Beta, come fast. Raise your hand. Those are doing job.